So what about adding, maybe you want to access this, a little cabinet door right here. I didn't even realize I put the handle on the wrong side, so. Alright guys, I went to the store and I got this one. So this is for the circular saw. It's gonna cut through it like butter. So sorry, the jigsaw is not gonna work. You're gonna need one of these. And again, make sure you line it up, scoot the pipe all the way to one side and mark it so you'll have to cut one side. I don't know why I was being lazy, and I already started cutting on one side, so I'm gonna have to cut both sides. Double the work. So like I did tell you earlier, this one will shoot out sparks. So battery in. I'm also gonna put the original trolley design axle that I did with a jigsaw, for those who prefer that in the plans. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.